Hello everybody, it's Dr. Rob with HealthSource Marshall here to go through our Doc Talk here of the week. What I'm talking about right now is the jaw. So everybody knows that your jaw has a hinging motion. What we really need to make sure we're taking very, very close attention though to is actually where this jaw is doing its hinging motion at. And what can happen if you have an injury or a contusion, somebody coming up and hitting your jaw, what that can do is it's going to offset this jaw. So it still feels like it's in a hinge, but what's going to happen is you're going to get more clicking, popping, or your jaw actually catching when you're trying to eat something and you're no longer able to get it to reset. That then leads to a lot of pain in the muscles as well as in the joint itself. What chiropractic can do is it can help to teach you how to loosen up these muscles and actually do very, very light manual adjustments or using the activator to get this reset in place to make sure that your jaw can begin to hinge naturally again, and then giving you those tools to keep it healthy and flowing properly there at home. If you have any questions or if this is you, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, everybody, making sure that you listen to your body when it whispers so you don't have to wait for it to start to scream. Bye.